Hello and welcome to CorrelatePro. Today we're going to add a portfolio and manage the stocks within that portfolio. Let's create one for technology. We'll start off by adding in Apple. As we can see, a node appears and that node has the daily close. Let's add in Tesla. Now this edge indicates the correlation between the two. It's not super useful on its own, but once we add in another stock, we can start to compare how correlated two things are. So we can see Apple is about as correlated to Tesla as it is to Google. This correlation is taken over the past year's return. Now Google is a bit more correlated to Tesla than Apple, but it's not yet clear if that's worrying. Let's add in AMD. Now Apple is about as correlated to AMD as it is to Google or Tesla. Let's focus on AMD. Wow. We can see that AMD is pretty closely correlated to Google and Tesla, but not so much to Apple. All right, let's add in another, Twilio. We can see once again, Apple is kind of on its own, which means it's a pretty solid addition to our portfolio. Returns in Apple aren't really going to be affected by returns in the others. Let's look at Twilio. Yeah, we see kind of the same phenomenon here. What about Tesla? Tesla is pretty correlated to Google and AMD. We probably should not have these three in our portfolio. It's not a problem. Let's delete them. Let's leave Google in there. With CorrelatePro, it's easy to make decisions like this because of how visually intuitive it is.